class. Welcome to Wednesday. All right, let's see what our calendar has in store today. Let's get started. All right, we're going to write the date. At the top is our numerical date, our date written in numbers. So 4 for April. April's our fourth month in the year. It's the 15th of April, and the year is 2020. So now let's write it with words and read it. So today's day of the week is Wednesday, and our month is April, and it's April the 15th, a 1 and a 5, and the year is 2020. So let's get ready to read that. So ready, set, read. Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. All right, so here's our days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So today's day of the week is Wednesday, which means yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. We're going to rehearse and read a nonsense word. Nonsense words are words that are goofy and don't make any sense. But if we get a real word, we're going to make sure we clap for it. I'm going to give myself some consonants, a vowel, and another consonant. All right, and then I'm going to think about what kind of vowel do I have? Do I have a short sound or a long sound? And to figure that out, I'm going to look at the letter next to it. It's one consonant, and there's no other vowels in this word. So a vowel followed by one or more consonants is a short sound. So it's going to say But let's get ready for this blend here. Din, din. That's a funny one. All right, ready, set, rehearse. Denol. Ready, set, read. Denol. That's a nonsense word. With our shapes this month, we're trying to fold them into equal parts, and equal parts are fractions. So let's see what kind of fractions we have here. We have 1 whole, we have 1/2, and we have 1/4. So when we're folding our shapes, we're going to think about, are they folding into halves or fourths or nothing at all? On your screen, you're going to see both our observation chart and our number calendar cards. So take a look at both of them, and I want you to make a prediction about what you think today's shape will be and how many equal parts that shape will fold into, and if those parts are going to be symmetrical. And remember, we're working to see if it folds into equal parts. So when you have your prediction, make sure you pause the video and share it with someone nearby. All right, let's reveal. So here's our shape for today. So we're going to take this shape, we're going to do some work with it. We're going to figure out if we can fold this into any equal parts, and we're going to figure out what we should call this shape. All right, so now let's figure out what we can call this shape. So we can do that by counting the sides. Now I can only count these straight edges. I can't count the wavy edges. So let's count those. So 1, 2. So this shape only has 2 sides technically. So I can't classify it as a shape, but I can still call it the letter S. So this figure is called the letter S. So now let's see if we can fold it into equal parts. Alright, so I'm going to take my top half and fold it to my bottom half. And you will notice that I wasn't very successful in getting equal parts there. So I'll fold it back open. And I'm going to fold this side to this side the best I can. And it doesn't fold over into equal pieces. So for this one, we can say it has 0 equal parts. We cannot fold it into any equal parts. There's no symmetry here. So now that we've worked with our funny little shape today, we can fill in our observation chart. So as we discussed, since it only has 2 straight lines, we can't really call it a shape, but we can classify it as the letter S. And we found out that the letter S does not fold into any equal parts. And if it can't fold into any equal parts, then it's not symmetrical. All right, it's time to pick a question from the jar. This one says, do you like cloudy days or sunny days? So hopefully today is a sunny day for you, but if it's cloudy, what do you prefer? I like kind of cloudy and kind of sunny day. So a day where there's lots of clouds in the sky, but the sunshine's still there to make everything beautiful. So when you have your answer, you can answer up in the survey above if you're on a desktop, or down below in the comments. Have a great rest of your Wednesday. Bye-bye.